What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use AI on your WordPress dashboard to build pages, to fix issues, to find opportunities, and to make your WordPress better and get more results, save time, be more productive. Just go to wpadmin.ai, okay, and follow my steps. First thing, click on download now, this big orange button. You're going to be requested to enter your email address, and you're going to be creating your billing information, okay? It's confirming, okay, the payment method, and you have to read the terms of service and understand that WAI Premium includes setup, test, and copy, okay? So, sign up. Now, you're going to be downloading your plugin, okay? So, click right here to download. Now, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. On your WordPress, on your browser address bar, enter your domain plus wpadmin, enter with login credentials, review left sidebar of menus, and hit this submenu add plugin, okay? On plugins, you're gonna hover and hit the submenu add plugin. Now, click on upload plugin and click on choose file. Here is the file that I just have downloaded. Click on it and install now. Activate plugin. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and here is the wpadmin AI. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to appearance, you're gonna be able to see wpadmin AI. Let's click on it. Now, let's go back to the wpadmin AI. Yes, I activated the plugin. Step 3, copy the pairing token. Let's click into this orange button to copy the token. Now, let's go back to my WordPress dashboard and place the token right here. Let's click on save. Now, my website is fully integrated with AI, okay? Now, create wpadmin access user. You can choose the AI provider, okay? It can be open AI or cloud. Up to you, up to your needs, okay? Then open wpadmin AI Premium. Let's get started. Email verification is required before WPI can continue. Send verification code. Go to your email. Here is how the email gonna looks like. Copy the code. Go back right here. Click on verify. There is a video tutorial where you can learn how to get things started. While you wait, please do not close this window. wpadmin AI is preparing your workplace, carrying your website, data, and installing the tools needed to start the tasks. You're gonna be able to see this menu right here, okay? I'm using cloud, so this is my option, and try how do I log and mirror bypass permission on cycle for agents, okay? Let me try something. So the command I gave was this one: build a landing page for a free WordPress theme with a hero section, featured, grid, and download button, just like this, okay? Now all we have to do is wait for the magic to happen. Now let me show you something interesting. In the case that you want to access the tool, okay, into any page of your site, you're going to be able to see into the bottom right corner the icon to access the prompt of the plugin, okay? And you can start a new task or resume previous tasks. And remember, you're always going to have all on your staging site, okay? After approving all on staging, you can migrate for the live website. So no worries, you can ask anything that you want with safety. There is some tips, for example, by the way, to ask a quick side question without interrupting Cloud's current word, you can use, okay? As you can see, while reading, you can understand what the Cloud is already doing for us, okay? But of course, if you give more specifications, for example, locate the page, send page URL, ask for fixing the page, find some possible issues, check SEO opportunities, create a page with links to, and you're gonna link anything that you want. Basically, all you have to do after writing your prompt is wait for the magic to happen. Three minutes and we have our page. Let's review the page. Meet Lumen, the fast free WordPress theme. Download free features. Can you see? It looks fantastic. It's an amazing page built with native blocks that you can fully customize in the case that you want, made using AI. This is how easy it is to create your page now. But it goes besides create, okay? You can request for fixes, you can request for some tasks, you can request for some update, for some post creation, anything that you want with a simple prompt. So you can start a new task or resume previous tasks or close assistant, okay? Let's resume previous tasks. If you really like the page, you do not want more edits to this live web page, you can just ask the plugin. Deploy it to live. Just like this. And in some minutes, it's gonna be moved from the staging website, this one right here, to the live website, this one right here, okay? All simple and easy. Here's the process happening. Here's the permalink. Nice, right? And of course, you can edit in the case that you want, you can customize. You can still change every single part. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best, and don't forget to check the AI developer website, okay, the wpadmin.ai, for downloading the plugin and connecting everything. Of course, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to use the comment section below.